Hey everyone, Tessa here. First I want to thank Veracity for sending me this protein powder for my honest review, so let's dive in. Just want to answer a few frequently asked questions. So first of all, how many servings per container? There are 15 servings per container. Another question is, does it mix well in water? It does, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. Another frequently asked question is, what are the main protein sources? It's all plant-based protein. So there is pea protein, pumpkin seed, and organic chia seed protein. I'm going to mix some in water right now. It comes with a scoop, so that's nice and convenient. And it says 2 scoops. And let's see how it goes. Wow, that's great. It mixes very well in water. See, it's fully mixed. Just took a few seconds, and that's all you need to do if that's all you want to do, and you can drink it just like this, and it's really tasty. But I am going to make my favorite smoothies. I always use frozen ingredients for my smoothies, so then it's a nice cold frozen smoothie, which is my favorite kind. So I always start with spinach and some broccoli and even frozen avocado. Such a nice, easy, convenient way of making smoothies. Next ingredients: Himalayan sea salt for magnesium, ginger, cinnamon, a date, and usually I add stevia. But since this protein powder already comes with sweetened with monk fruit extract, it's already very tasty and sweet, so I'm not going to add the stevia today. There it is, so smooth and delicious. Cheers. So delicious, so healthy, love it, and definitely didn't need to add the stevia this time. Highly recommend it, not only for the taste, it builds active muscle, it's good for energy, appetite control, and it tastes so delicious. Highly recommend it.